Welcome, art students. Okay, we are going to be working on a drawing today. I am going to be drawing today using a Sharpie permanent marker. I want you, however, to be drawing with a pencil. In case you make a mistake, you could always erase your lines. All right, let's begin. So I am going to start by drawing for you today, and I want you to draw this with me, is a woodpecker. A woodpecker is well known for latching itself onto a tree and using its nice sharp long beak for pecking many holes out of those old wooden trees. All right, let's do this. So let's begin by drawing the tree. So we're gonna have a tree that's coming down here like this. Okay, and I'm gonna stop right there. Now, let's draw the hand or its claws as it's latching onto this tree. So let's do that. So we need nice sharp talons. Think of like triangular shaped but with curved ones, okay? And they got long claws. Okay, and we'll do another one back here. So this is like another toe. There we go. And then we're gonna do another claw over here. That is a woodpecker, in case you're wondering what that racket is. And we'll put another claw coming out of there, like that. Here's another toe. They got sharp nails, sharp little talons. So they really need to hold on to that tree. There we go, and here's another toe. And here's the leg. This is part of the leg. They have a lot of lines in their legs. Okay. So there is a few toes. Let's finish off here the rest of our foot. There we go. So we have two legs. There's a leg right here, and then there's a leg over here. Okay. Now, let's draw the woodpecker's chest. Okay. And then our woodpecker's bottom of his body will come back this way, like that. And then we're gonna go the neck up here. Then we will go this way. And here's that long beak that we all know about. Starting right here, here's our beak. This long woodpecker beak. Right about there. And then we'll curve that inwards like this. And then like this. And then we will go make some little lines right here like this. Let's close off our beak. Give it two halves. Give it a little nose, a little nostril so it can breathe. Give it some texture in its beak. Okay. And we're going to draw right here. Kind of a fluffy triangular shape right here coming down from the beak. This is kind of its markings. And then let's start up here at the top edge of our beak now. We're gonna form the head. The woodpecker has a really interesting feather on the back of its head. Like that. There's a feather that comes back here like this. A little bit fluffy feathers back here. Give it a fancy little hairdo. All the way to right there. Then we'll do the eye. The eye will go right here. Nice round circular shaped eye. Then on the inside of your eye, we'll make it nice and dark. Shade that part in. Leave a little part though, like that. Then we'll draw little lines right here, give it more texture. This is a fluffy woodpecker. Okay, then we're gonna do right here, there's some more lines to show more feathery texture. Right here. Do a line right there. This is looking pretty good so far. Straight down from back on this hairdo. Right about here, there's just kind of a straight line that comes this way. Right about here, we're gonna start coming back out this way with its wings. Let's do its wing here. We're gonna come down like this. And then we're gonna come down. Right there. Come in a little bit, come down again. There we go. Then we want to come over here. We want to do a nice long feather that comes down. Okay. Do the feather lines in the feather. Let's do the wings now. So we have a wing up here. Comes like this. Comes back up like this. Come down, curve in. Then we're gonna go straight back and down right here. All the way down, there we go. Then right about here, let's do some more feathers like this. Here's this wing on this side. Okay, doing a good job so far, students. Okay, let's keep adding some more details in the feathers. Now in the chest area, let's do some detail lines in there, some more feathery texture. Ooh, feathery texture. Nice and fluffy is what we're going for. And then all in here we got some texture too. This is a nice looking feathery friend we have going on. Might want to pet this bird. But then again, maybe not, if you know what I mean. Might peck ya. Okay, this is looking pretty close to done here. Now these feathers down here are long feathers and they're kind of tight together. So we're gonna draw a lot of long lines. long lines that come down. Like that. Nice. Now that is a woodpecker. My goodness, a great woodpecker at that. Okay, after you draw your woodpecker, then I want you to add a really nice texture to your tree that it's latched onto. What kind of tree is your woodpecker on? Is it on a birch tree? Is it on a oak tree? Because bark does look different. I'm gonna put mine on a birch tree. So let's see here. Birch trees have lines that go this way, horizontal. Maybe yours is going to be different. This is like a little hole that it's been pecking at. I don't know, I'm just having fun. You know, birch trees, they have a lot of interesting things that grow on them sometimes too, called lichens. A little bit of mossy chunks and whatnot. So you can have fun doing your tree bark, give it lots of good texture qualities, okay? All right. Now, after you're done drawing your woodpecker, I would like for you to color it in. You can use crayons or colored pencils, okay? So have fun with that. I'll color mine in the next video in case you're far enough to color with me, okay? I'll see you there. All right, bye-bye. Good job.